Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to remove website from GoDaddy domain. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your account and you might end up at your dashboard. At the bottom, you will see website. Click on this option and here you can see we have an option for edit website. Once you click on this option, you will see something like this, and at the top right corner, you will see setting, and here you will see unpublished if you have published this website. And if you're not using this website, you probably using WordPress website. So for some reason, if you're using this website, you can easily click on unpublished. Right now I'm not using it, that's why it's not showing up, because I'm using WordPress itself. So if you want to remove WordPress, what you can do, go back to this page, click on this option and click on hosting and WordPress. After that, you will end up over here. Click on this action icon, click on cPanel admin. At the bottom, you will find application. Click on WordPress or my blog. I'm going with my blog, and here you just need to check this and click on uninstall. Once you do that, your WordPress website will be deleted from GoDaddy, and if you want to delete GoDaddy website itself, you can unpublish that from over here. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to remove website from GoDaddy domain. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.